What's up, everybody? It's your boy Nigel, and I got a fresh new shipment into that Bay Area. Bam! Check it out, check it out. This is how it comes. I'm gonna do an unboxing for you, an unbagging. I got a few bags and a box right here. Bam, 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 bam. So, those of you wanting to get into business for yourself, doing a clothing brand or merch, I can help you out with that. Just hit me up and we can do a full sit-down consultation or a Zoom call. What I'm gonna do is just kind of go over a few things about my brand that I've experienced from doing a direct online print and ship servicing company or doing it for myself. As a lot of you know, I did it for myself for a long time. But here we go, man. I had to do a couple samples because I got some new tank tops coming out, or actually they already dropped, and some new joggers. So what I do whenever I submit a new design, I order it for myself. I make sure that the packaging comes exactly how I want. That way I know where the logo placement is. That way I know that the quality is good and how it fits. So for those of you wondering, this shirt right here is a large and it's been washed probably about 30 times. I do wash and hang dry my clothes, but the print still looks good. The colors don't look faded. It is a little snugger than I'd like to wear out, but I wear this to work out. Anyway, that's just personal preference. Let's start with the first bag. Man, I encourage a lot of you, like there's a lot of artists out there that are local, that have a nice little following, that should have merch set up, and YouTube channels, Facebook pages, people that are popular online, even with a couple thousand followers. You don't have to be going crazy with millions of subscribers and followers out there to get your own merch. I mean, your own family and friends will hopefully support you, whether or not your family and friends. So in this packing slip is pretty cool. I write a personal message on here, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys ordering that get that. So it is a personal message from me. These are the joggers right here. Here goes the front, nice little pocket, man, nice embroidered patch here. It's about yay high. I kind of like it to be a little higher, but since these have nice deep pockets, I had to put it a little lower. A embroidered design like this does have a typical size, usually about, I don't know, 2 1/4 to 2 3/4 in width and height, but you can do whatever you want. Something like this on my website, I'm not really even sure how much I charge for it on my website, but go to Vacaville.com and you can check it out. But they feel nice and comfy, fleece interior, and they got a nice taper to the leg. They also have a rear pocket. I'm not sure that I would ever use the rear pocket, but I think it looks cool. I ordered these ones in a size extra large for myself, and I'm gonna try them on and see how they fit. They do look a little more fitted than I would like to wear out. They might look like leggings on me, but that's the whole purpose of ordering your own stuff and getting it to you. That way you can try it on, and if anyone has any questions like, yo, how do they fit, you can tell them. Like myself, I'm about 5'10", 235, and putting something like this on might work cool for pajamas or working out, but I might need a XXL, which we do have on the website for you to check out. Looks like I got a new Don't Be a Little Bitch tank top and Iron Sharpens Iron tank top. Got the Don't Be a Little Bitch in blue and red in the tank top, because I haven't had any tank tops in a while. Here goes another Iron Sharpens Iron. I think this might be a shirt. Again, I prefer to do direct print and ship, to have a fulfillment center do it, because I'm a busy guy. As you guys probably know, I have more than just one business, so it's pretty difficult for me to like get orders or keep things in stock, print them and ship them out. I mean, it does take a lot of effort. More power to you if that's what you still want to do. Here goes a tank top. This is in large, Iron Sharpens Iron. Bam, I'm about to rock this shit today in a nice workout at Old School Iron. One thing you definitely want to monitor is not just what size and location, but how it prints out, because it is still human error. They can, if you've ever printed shirts yourself, you know that it's easy to make them crooked. That's not what you want to do, obviously, when you have your own brand and you put your name on it. But don't be a little bitch in the red. What I do on my stuff is, hopefully the camera is getting that, but I put a tag in there with my size and my little information. But when it comes to how your garment wears, it's important, because when you are a large brand like Burberry or Nike, right? I mean, I know that's a wide ranging cost, but people don't really look at your brand the same way as they look at a Nike or a Burberry or a Gucci or something like that. When they get your homegrown brand, what they do is they want to hold it up to the light, they want to turn it sideways, they want to stand on one foot, they want to pull, oh yeah, you know, there's a micro spec right there. A lot of people will do that, and for that I say screw them. If they don't want to buy it, then they don't need to buy it. But that's why buying it myself, ordering it and making sure that it's up to par for my standards is important. But that's also why in my tag it says cold wash, hang dry, iron inside out. And if you ruin it, just buy another one at baywearya.com. It is what it is, man. I don't charge a lot of money for my gear, and I do appreciate each and every one of you supporting me. Shout out to the San Diego homie Battle Loco. He's like, man, you always got black and red, but you don't ever do blue. Here goes my royal blue. Make sure that he puts it in one of his videos. You know what I mean? I do these videos for you guys, man. I know it kind of bounces around. I do food videos, videos about finance, but I've always had this brand Baywearya Clothing, and I think it's important to help people and motivate people to do things for themselves and learn a little bit. They might not want to ask me directly, but I'll get a DM, I'll get a text message, I'll get a phone call asking me, how do you do this, how do you do that? I don't have a problem telling anybody how to do it. It's just I would appreciate if you actually go out and do it, and then send me your merch link. Let's work. You know, ask me some real questions, and let's get something done, man. This iron sharpen iron, the saying is very important to me, because I feel like surrounding yourself with like-minded and positive people can really change your world, and not just your day, not just your mindset. It's not about just instant gratification when it comes to inspiration. It comes to surrounding yourself with like-minded people that have something in their mind that they want to get out and make reality, and sometimes all it takes is just talking it out with the right people. What I've also learned is when you talk it out with the wrong people, they'll try to talk you out of your dreams or what you're trying to do. So make sure that you're surrounding yourself with the right people, man. I do full consultation stuff with people that want to get into the business. So if you do want to get into the business, let me know and we'll work something out. There goes the last tank top that I'll be rocking. I think the personal message is important to me. Thank you for becoming a part of the Baywearya family. Please be sure to follow us and tag us in your pictures and videos on Instagram and Facebook. Do this and receive a discount and early access to the new releases. And also subscribe to your boy Nigel on YouTube. So fun little message there. My beanie to match my joggers there. Nice and crispy clean. Boom, boom. I forgot I made these. These are the new drawstring bags. Man, you're gonna learn live whether it's an epic fail or not. Oh shit, it's double-sided print. I didn't even know it was gonna do all that. That's dope. So iron sharpens iron. If you need a cool little gym bag, a little get around for the beach, it is a talking point every time myself or a lot of the Baywearya family that buy stuff, they hit me up all the time and say, you know what, I wore your shirt today. I had something, your coffee mug that says don't be a little bitch, and it always like brightens up someone's day. They get excited about it. It's a talking point, and they wonder why it says what it says. And iron sharpens iron. That's, man, that shit came out dope. So I got me a new gym bag. Don't be a little bitch right there. Put my bag on. You know what I mean? Oh shit. Now I do a lot of black and red print. Here we are, our iron sharpens iron. I think I'm gonna wear that with my new joggers as long as they don't look too tight on my booty. You know what I mean? This hoodie is spanking new out the box, okay? It's a thinner hoodie. I like the weight of it, especially if you're gonna be outside jogging or working out with it. I like this, but what I wanna show you is this is spanking new out the box. And this one has been washed like 40 times, washed and dried. It's got not just dog hair, but a little pilling going on, which is a little, what's called, a little fading on the print, but it still looks good after being washed hella times. I mean, I sweated in this. I done went fishing in this bad boy, so it doesn't look too far off from here, which is important to me. When you're doing and you're trying to support your own brand, you want to make sure that you want to have some integrity in your brand. Make sure it holds up in the wash, man. And if it doesn't, don't overcharge people for it, man. You don't need to make $100 off of every hoodie. I do see these celebrities out there charging $160 to $300 for a hoodie, which, you know, I'm not gonna say whether or not they should be. What I'm saying is, if it lasts a long time, then it's worth it. But you know, when you spending 20 to 30 bucks on a hoodie in the last 30, 40 washes, I mean, I think that's good, man. So anyway, don't forget to check your boy Nigel out on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Follow us at Baywaria, and we'll continue to keep pumping it out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below, and we'll get to it, man. I appreciate you. Like and subscribe. Don't forget to share it.